Hi, I'm Joanne. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. Today, I'm getting the kitchen ready for Christmas while staying clutter-free. So I already brought out pretty much what I think I'm going to be using in the kitchen. I'm not sure. I might switch some things out from different rooms, but this is what I have as far as decorations go. And then I also have my Rae Dunn stuff down in here. And I don't collect Rae Dunn anymore, but I might as well use what I have. And it's pretty much just a clean slate. I did already put up this garland, and I also have garland right here. So that's up, and everything else is a clean slate. I had a coffee canister up there. These all, when you turn them around, is that one? Yeah. I put little decals on them for Halloween, and then I turn them back around. And then also I have these Christmas cups. Might as well go ahead and turn those around now. Over here I had my hot cocoa bar and coffee bar set up, but then I made some changes to it, and I wanted to show you guys this tray I got from a Goodwill or something for $1 or something. I don't even remember. I took the sticker off of it, but it was really cheap, like $1.19 or something. So I made some changes to this area, so I'm gonna go ahead and film that for you guys as well. First, I'm gonna do just a little tidying up. There's just some, little dirt here. We do have dishes from breakfast and lunch right here. My daughter's gonna do them at the end of the day. I'm not even gonna worry about it. And I'm just gonna get back in these corners here and, just do a little quick tidy up. Okay, that's better. So I added the believe sign, and I added that dish down under there, and then I put the spices inside of the reindeer, and then I put the little sprinkles inside of this little jam jar. And my little peppermint sticks, they didn't fit, so I had to break them. Oh well, it works. All right, this is where I feed my cats. I like to feed them up here instead of on the ground because it's easier for me to keep it clean and tidy through the day. And then the robot cleaner doesn't accidentally knock their dishes over. So the only thing I'm gonna put right here is just this beautiful little red pitcher that I have and some flowers, and I think that's it. I just wanna do nice and simple. This is a Merry Christmas picture, but I'm just gonna keep it like this because I don't want too many words. I was playing around off camera, and these white and red flowers, I also have blue ones, and they were from 4th of July, so I just went through my 4th of July stash and brought these out, and then these were from a fall bouquet, so I took these out, and then this was my little Christmas beads. So I got it all ready, and I even stuffed this with some grocery shopping bags. And there you go. It's missing something. I wonder. I'm gonna put this under it. Oh yeah. Oh, that's so cute. I like that. Okay. Oh no. Oh no, you guys. I'm sorry you were out of camera the whole time. Oh gosh, what is this cat getting into? What did you do? What did you do? My dining room is a wreck right now, but these are all the new greenery and jingle bells that I'm going to be putting on my Christmas tree, and that's going to be on the next video, so stick around for that. Okay, so these are the flowers. sure if I was gonna do the little white curly cues, but I think they give it that pop of white that it needs. And then the way to get this to stay up, I've learned in the past, is you put rice inside and then it stays straight. Yeah, that's cute. And plus these curly cues match up there, so it kind of ties it all in. All right, on to up here.